Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP video update for Friday 12th of August. And SOP is doing pretty amazing, isn't it? We're having all those green candles trying to shoot to the upside again, and I'm just looking at the weekly because I'm really interested to see what happens in the weekly time frame. It's just amazing how the weekly really looks like at the moment. So I've talked about this a bear flag previously, so let's dive into the daily right now. You are still under a certain bear flag at the moment, but SOP is doing pretty amazing, trying to climb up and trying to actually break out of that bear flag. So this was what the bear flag actually looked like at the moment. I'm just going to remove that text right over there. Click on this one, remove it right here, and you went to the downside, right? You bounce off this area, you made that flag right like this, and you broke out of that flag. Normally you just meant you have a technical target, to be honest with you, to count to 184. It doesn't even really matter. All these candles, all these green candles to the upside, they don't matter because the target is still remains to the downside. And right now what SOP is trying to do is it is trying to break the flag itself. So I told you in the previous videos, you want to see SOP, and this is good. This is really good. Okay, you're moving healthy for SOP. You went down, correction, went down, correction, you went up, correction, you went up, down for the correction again. You might be moving again up like this, but the thing is, it's still all meaningless if you actually end up being rejected at the 550 again, and from there you drop down, because it can happen. As long as you're below that line of 570, 580, you really are threatened to go to the downside. So what you want to see is you break this level, and that actually breaks this pattern here. Okay, you break that bear flag, and when you do that, you come down for the retest at 587. That will be amazing entry here, and we ride it all the way to the upside. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at. That's pretty much simply what I can bring into this update. So we want to see in the next coming few days, and we are really near to that level to understand what's going to happen next. So weekend is starting from tomorrow. I don't know, this could actually go up today, and tomorrow you start to get rejected and start to move to the downside. Whatever this is, we're going to talk about it. There's another trend line coming in as well. Let me just give you that trend line as well here. So yeah, there we go. That's the trend line that I'm looking for at the moment. Okay, so this trend line is going to give us a lot of clues. So if you do go up like this, come down on the weekends, you might just come down to 480, then go up like this, come down again, go up, come down until the apex here, and then who knows, break to the downside. Whatever you want to do from that point, we're going to see. Or if you break to the upside, that will be amazing to continue to the upside. And that's it for today's update on SOP. I'm going to see you in the next one.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.